Oh, the band way over there this time. They on that end. I can't believe it. The Hurricanes band. We got 55, the Canes, which is Hurricanes, and 7, the Rams. Of course, you can't tell too much from here. I'll probably get this score later. The Rams exchanging players. Well, y'all, as you can see, I'm filming from a different point of view. I'm on the Worth County side this time with the visitors, the Rams. Since it's 2020, I see it on my side with the Zodiac, the Rams. The Rams represent the Zodiac, the Ram itself. Yep, the Ram itself is a Zodiac, and I'm on this side of the Rams tonight. I've never seen this side before in my life for football, but this is the first.
Shout out to our Canes crew tonight, you guys. Done a great job. Thank you.
As you can see across the way over there, that's the Hurricane fans. That's the side I usually sit on every game, but this is my first game for 2020, October the 30th. The Rams cheerleaders down there dancing. The Rams cheerleaders. Yeah. Oh, the Rams. The Rams over there in their little spot, of course. Rams. And the Hurricanes over there. Hurrying like a real hurricane. Yay, we won. Trying to get the scoreboard. 55, the Canes. Worth County 7.